you want to achieve this look, keep watching. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? I will really appreciate it. And don't forget that little notification bell right by the subscribe button. And you click it every time I update a video, you get to see it. Keep watching. Hi guys, so I am going to do the goddess braids. You don't want to always have your hair in an afro puff with a tie because you're pulling at your ends, and you really want to protect your ends. Your edges, sorry. You really want to protect your edges, so you don't want to be in a habit of always having your hair in an afro puff. So I'm going to show you another way of protecting your ends. This is the goddess braids. So let's get to the video. Since the last time I trimmed my hair, I noticed that my hair has gotten thick. So you can, to make it easier to do the braid, you can just pin your hair down. You can take the pins out later. Just pin it down. This is what I'm doing. I'm just pinning it down. Oh, I had a part already made. I need a cleaner. Need a cleaner part. So you can do your part anywhere you would like to. See, my scalp is so clean. Guys, you have to check out my I really struggled with dry scalp and seborrheic dermatitis, but the method of what I've been doing has been really working for me. So click up there to watch that video, or you can watch it afterwards. So here we go. And so this is a protective style, so you can actually spray your ends. It would help. You can actually spray your whole ends. So, because while it's in the cornrow or the braid, it would really flourish. And you want to keep it loose because you want that, you want it to look full. So you want to make sure you keep it. So, see? So it really helped to keep the pins in. Oh no, guys, my memory ran out and I didn't notice. I finished braiding and noticed that I didn't record the last part of my video. So all I did was pretty much did the same thing, just kept braiding till I got to the end and attached the end of the braid to the rest of the cornrow. But if you need any further instructions, just comment that in the comment below and I'll definitely address that, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? I will really appreciate it. And don't forget that little notification bell right by the subscribe button. When you click it, every time I update a video, you get to see it. Alright, have a great one. Hello! So we're done. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at LovelyAbbyJ. See you on my other social medias. Love you.